In this video, I will explain you how to remove breakpoint in Webflow. Well, if you go to Webflow, as you can see, we have here the base breakpoint, and if we click on these three dots, we can add a large breakpoint, so we can add multiple breakpoints if we want. Now, if you want to remove them, basically you cannot do that. So I found this forum post. I know it's a bit old, but as you can see, this user says that this cannot be removed from your project once created. If you already created a breakpoint, you'll have to start over. If you haven't already created a breakpoint, then simply don't click it. So you can only create new breakpoints, but you cannot delete the old ones. So if you want a new one, you're gonna have to start over again, a new project. So basically that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.